Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and stylish VASAGLE Bar Table, a perfect blend of industrial design and functionality for your home. This narrow, long bar table measures 15.7 by 39.4 by 35.4 inches, making it an ideal fit for small kitchens or dining areas while still providing ample space for plates, cups, and cutlery. Crafted with a sturdy metal frame in a rustic brown and ink black finish, this table not only looks great but also offers exceptional stability, thanks to its strong metal legs and adjustable feet that ensure balance on uneven floors. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes with the help of simple instructions and numbered parts, so you can set it up quickly and enjoy a cozy breakfast nook in no time. Included with the table are an assembly kit, an anti-tip kit, and easy-to-follow instructions, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Part of the fascinating ALINRU collection, this bar table is designed for those who appreciate both style and practicality in their furniture. So, whether you're enjoying a simple breakfast or hosting a casual gathering, the VASAGLE Bar Table is your go-to choice for a chic and functional dining experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.